So I got my Terminator X Max wired up, all the plugs in, all of them. The harness is so goddamn long. I wrapped it all around. My drive-by wire is ran. I had to get a new pedal. That's off a CTS Cadillac, which is a lot nicer pedal, mounted it. And then I had to get a new throttle body. This throttle body's off a 5.3 that we had sitting here in a Tahoe, thank God, and it's a lot bigger throttle body, but it's a 4-bolt, so I have a 3-bolt plate, 4-bolt conversion. There's my drive-by wire. All this shit's hooked up now. Everything's hooked up. Fuck. Check out this pedal. I got these from Mac Tools. Nice shit. 250 bucks. Mac Tools. I'm getting set up now. Look at this pedal. That's a nice pedal. And then my display's right here. I'll mount my display to my dash right here. And then I want to get the Holley 6.8 dash that'll mount right there. No gauges, it'll be digital. Boom, there's my shit. Wires, fucking bunch of wires, goddamn, dude. My start button's right here. Boom. You'll throw 2 red switches for auxiliary 1, auxiliary 2. And then you'll hit this. Hopefully this fucker starts, huh? Still braided, 8 a.m. all the way back. PTFE hose, so you can run E85 if you can ever get it. 102 sensors on that side over there.